All right, so let's talk a little bit more about this Cybertruck. I don't know if this is a coincidence or not, but Tesla apparently started contacting Cybertruck buyers recently. And buyers, people who gave them $100, I don't know what it was. That's the new thing. Remember the canoe lifestyle vehicle? They're like, give us 100. Let's have 100. I think Rivian wanted 1,000. Everybody wants you partially involved, but I don't even know how to buy a car anymore because I don't even remember how many companies have my 100.
Yeah. You can't just go to like a car dealership and just get a car.
Well, you definitely can. And you probably and you probably should if you need one. I'm gonna be honest with you right now. I got the delays on the Model S Plaid and I have no idea. Like if I really needed a car and I had plans or I had a job I was going to get to with it, or in the case of Dariush, I had a baby coming and needed extra space for the car seat and all the stuff that goes, because you got to get you have a baby?
Yeah.
You have so much stuff that goes with the baby. If you got more than one baby, my God, you need a bus at that point.
Well, yeah.
You got strollers, they're huge, they fold, they go in, and then if you're buying anything like groceries or something, they got to go beside the stroller, and then the baby itself, all that stuff is built like a tank now. So if you got the seat that clips into the base, it's all tank status these days.
Yes.
So you're going to need some space to get this all sorted out.
Well, a happy story with Dariush.
Apparently. Oh, I got it. It's coming up real soon.
Oh, okay.
Willie, dude, trying to move
you
too quickly on the show. You're trying to fly through it. Anyway, so this, I guess, was it a text message, an email that went out? It looks like a text message, actually. It came off Twitter. This is a user on Twitter, Peyton Schaefer? Peyton L. Schaefer? Whatever. His name's Peyton on Twitter. And he says, Tesla is officially reaching out to Cybertruck reservation holders and confirming a late 2021 production start. And if you click on the actual tweet, I guess, it says, congratulations on taking the first step to becoming a Tesla owner. The Cybertruck will start production in late 2021 and will be an exciting time for everyone. The Cybertruck will start production in late 2021 and will be an exciting time for everyone. The phrasing's a bit weird there. We have exciting news. We opened a new location in Fort Myers, which is close to this individual buyer. Since the Cybertruck has yet to be released, we would like to extend an invitation to test drive a model that is currently available. Yeah, that's about the Cybertruck. I mean, look, I'm trying to put up a new place. We just escaped California. Stuff's getting crazy over there. We're over there in Texas. We got the Gigafactory. Just give us a break. Give us a minute. You mind driving something else for the time being? We got other models over here. You don't need that truck. It's too big anyways. Where are you going to park it? Head over down to Fort Myers there and give yourself a run in the Model 3 or Y. They're available for test driving. Here's the address.
Yeah.
What do you think? Good luck or not good luck? I want to know how you feel about that. For somebody who ordered the truck, put the money down ages ago.
I think they're trying. I think it's good overall. I mean, you get to experience the Tesla ecosystem with like another.
But do you feel in any way like
that you didn't order?
Do you feel in any way you're being sold to, like you're like, no, I need a truck. I ordered a truck, and they're like, look, we don't have a truck, but we think you should buy one of these.
I think the but matters, and they could have completely ignored this and just like, hey, wait it out. Cybertruck's coming when it comes. So it's an alternative. I think it's a good job.
Yeah, no, for the record, I don't mind it either. That was May 18th. What is today, the 20th? That's like a day before Ford's event. So there's that part of it too. They're like, don't go order that other truck. Remember, you have a reservation for this truck. Don't you forget about that reservation you gave us a decade ago, because we're still building these things. But anyway, it appears based on all the feedback and tweets and whatever else you have to read into, late 2021 start time. All the energy right now is around building the facility that will build the truck, and that hasn't been built yet. They were looking for a spot. They're over there near Austin, Texas now. So it should be nothing but up from here. I wish them the best. I still can't wait to see that thing in this studio.
It's coming.
The Cybertruck is going to be, imagine it. That's going to be something to look at.